Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete your profile picture on Twitch. First of all, you can open the Twitch application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here you will see the option edit profile at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you will just simply see the option profile picture. Now click on the pencil icon that is next to the profile picture. And here I can tell you the Twitch app doesn't provide any feature to delete your profile picture. So if you want to delete the profile picture, you cannot delete the profile picture. You can change the profile picture by choose existing photo in your gallery. And now you can select the other photo. I can select this picture, and now you can tap on choose, and now you can tap on done at the top right corner of the screen. And this is the way you can change profile picture on Twitch app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.